This is my Transporter T5. Started out like this. I've wrapped it, facelifted it. Check out my other videos if you haven't already. So today I'll be attempting to make my own gloss black grills. I don't have much experience with painting, so see how I get on and let me know if there's a better way. These original grills are textured, so sand off as much of this texture as I can. It's not that deep a texture, so hopefully it's going to be quite easy. Once I've done that, it will be built up with primer, black base coat and lacquer on top. I've already wrapped the badge. This chrome strip, I'll be wrapping this same colour as the van. If I don't like it, I'll wrap it black. So then this whole grill will be black. So the front end that I've put on this van has come off a van with front sensors, which I don't have. But I have managed to get some aftermarket ones. And if I open up these holes a bit, like this one, and they will fit in there. So I will time-lapse this now. I'll stop and explain at different points and show you how it looks after each stage. So I've got everything pretty much smooth. The recesses were hard work. Lower grills were quite easy. The upper grill took ages, and nearly all of it had to be done by hand. I need to scotch pad it, then I'll degrease it all, alcohol wipe it, and tack cloth it ready for paint. So first of all, I'm going to put one coat of Adhesion promoter. I've never used this before. I'm guessing it's going to help. And then I'm going to put the plastic primer on. So that will be a light coat, and then I'm going to put 2 heavier layers on. Then I'm going to put 2 layers of the filler primer on. So this is just going to fill any imperfections. So with the spray cans, I'm putting them in this tub with warm water. That just gets them to the right temperature. It makes it spray much nicer. So I've left this to dry for about 24 hours. And now I'm going to flatten this just to get it as smooth a surface as possible when I start putting the base coat on. So everything's flattened down now. It's gone through to the grey primer in places, which is fine, but you don't want to go through to the original surface. So again, this is all scotched and cleaned, ready for the base coat to go down now. It was looking great until I put the lacquer on. Finish isn't good at all, lots of orange peel. I'm away for a week now, so I'll leave this to harden and then I'll sand and polish and hopefully it's going to end up okay. So it's looking pretty good. I wasn't expecting it to come out that well after I'd put the lacquer on. Some imperfections and scratches, but I was never expecting perfection close up. I've never used this before. It's a gloss enhancer for new paint. Hopefully it's going to bring out the gloss and it protects the paint too. That has really made a huge difference. I don't know whether you can tell on the camera or not, but massive difference. So that was definitely worth doing. So wrapping these chrome strips is really easy. Make sure they're clean, give the vinyl a nice stretch over, make sure there's some heat on it, and get all the air bubbles out, and then trim it as neatly as you can. I'm going to get this all back together now and see how it looks on the van. So it's totally changed the front end. The splitter's quite nice. It was a cheap splitter. I think it was 85 quid, something like that. Really good quality and really fitted well. Surprised. Grills, I'm glad I've done it. It was a lot more labour than I thought, but I think it's definitely been worth it. So much better than I was expecting, but I've gone through the base coat there. It was fine after sanding, but must have got carried away with the compound. So any advice appreciated on touching that up. Other than that, it's great, even close up. These alloy wheels, I just spray painted those as well. Not done a video of that. Not sure what I'm going to do with the fog lights yet. It's quite expensive to put the genuine ones in. I'm going to have to change the water bottle. Probably this back panel, some brackets to hold them. So I might do some sort of custom made fog light. Not worked that out yet. So there is some bits of polish left I haven't quite cleaned off. It's still a bit wet. You can see the water there. You can see the watermarks there. So the parking sensors, I've put them in. They're not connected at the front yet. I've got a switch for them. So only question now is, how long is this going to last? Is it going to peel off? Is it going to fade? But I will keep people updated. Keep an eye out for the next video. I'm not sure what it's going to be. Cab area is 99% done now. Camper conversion in the back, I've had lots of issues with it. Made a few mistakes with the positionings, but definitely getting there.